Today, I made a DIY stickers organizer, or pencil case, using a sweet box. It's super easy and cute. You can use it to store your stickers, pens, pencils, or even small accessories. The best part is, you can put whatever you like inside and keep your desk neat and pretty. Try making it yourself, and turn an empty sweet box into something useful and fun. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Mountains high and valleys low, wherever winds of mercy blow. Through our trials we stay strong, in His love we all belong. Brothers, we stand hand in hand, following the promised land. With our hearts so pure and free, together for eternity. Wisdom flows like rivers wide, in the heart where faith resides. From